Hello guys, in today's video we have a newly launched, rugged, shock-resistant Android 13 tablet. This tablet has just hit the market, capable of working for up to 900 hours thanks to its incredible 15,600 mAh battery. In addition, it is robust with anti-fall system and protection against dust and water. If you need a durable tablet, that HOTWAV Tab R7 is the option you shouldn't miss. I will tell you all about this new HOTWAV device, just keep watching this video review. HOTWAV R7 tablet is a reliable and safe option that you can use for years thanks to its robustness and excellent dust and water resistant design. This is a perfect tool for people who need an everyday device for work and even entertainment in any situation. So we can start with unboxing and let's look at the contents of this box. We will put our R7 aside for now. What else do we have here? As you can see, we have additionally received this tempered glass to further protect the screen of this tablet, even though the R7 comes with a pre-installed protection on the screen out of the box. These are wipes in case you are going to put protective glass. Now with this USB OTG cable, this practical adapter capable provides a quick and easy way to connect a mouse, keyboard, USB stick or USB port for every smartphone or tablet or other device with OTG support. In this small bag we have a SIM pin and extra screws for our holder. This is the holders for strap. Furthermore, we have a USB Type-C cable for charging, HOTWAV user manual, and there is also a 20-watt fast charger. They provide us with 4 screws and a screwdriver in this package. These screws are the screwdriver are intended for attach the handles that will be mounted on the back of the tablet. Additionally, there is a hand strap included. Installing the hand strap is a straightforward process, taking no longer than 2 minutes. This feature is particularly beneficial for individuals working in the workshops with dirty hands or in the main construction sites, providing a secure grip on the tablet all the time. With 960 grams, the HOTWAV R7 may be a bit heavier than the 10.1-inch competition, but there is a particular because it comes with this complete body protection and with a huge long-lasting battery of even 15,600 mAh. Much of it is due to the reinforced body with the necessary additions such as rubberized corners and frames to improve shock absorption. It is reasonably portable without feeling too heavy. Since this is a shock-resistant tablet, it comes with the IP68 and IP69K ratings as well as the mil-STD 810H military resistance standard. HOTWAV logotype highlights the back of the tablet with the suitable gray details, hinting that this tablet was created for men's working hands and workshops. Located on the top right is a triple-looking camera module. We can find only one 60-megapixel HD camera lens with this LED flashlight. Flip the tablet over and we got a nice 10.1-inch FHD Plus display protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass protection. On the top bezel in the middle there is a 60-megapixel front-facing camera, which is perfect for your video calls and some selfies. On the right side of the tablet we find the volume buttons and the power button, and a little lower down we see these speaker grills. We can find the same speaker grills on the opposite side, which means that R7 tablet comes with stereo speakers. On this side we also find under the rubber seal, which ensure 100% waterproofness, a USB Type-C port, SIM tray and the microSD card port that accepts 2 4G SIM cards or 1 SIM and a memory card of up to 2 TB. The HOTWAV R7 screen has a solid viewing quality with HD Plus technology and size of up 10.1 inches. It also has a sufficient display resolution of 800 by 1280 pixels and a 16:10 aspect ratio that adapts to whatever content you want to see on this tablet. The maximum brightness of this display is satisfactory for most users. while on a sunny day the screen does not fade and remains readable. Of course, this does not apply to direct sunlight. This type of screen is the best you can get on a budget tablet and provides a good color reproduction with no picture distortion. The R7 comes with a Google Widely L1 support, which means you will be able to stream in full HD at the places like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hulu and more, which makes it an even more interesting choice for media consumption coupled with the mobile data support. So far, the overall rating of the R7 tablet is more than great, but this does not mean that it's ideal, especially when you are talking about a low-cost tablet. For connectivity, we are equipped with a 2nm SIM trace that supports 4G LTE, so you can use high internet speed. It also has a Bluetooth 5.1 to connect external devices such as the wireless headphones and the connection to the Wi-Fi networks. It supports dual bandwidth of 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, providing low latency and a faster transmission speed. That's not all, there is also some basic sensors for tablet, including gyroscope, accelerometers and even an electronic compass. This tablet does not skimp on the memory either, with its 12GB RAM memory, 6GB RAM plus 6GB virtual RAM, and you won't run out of the space for your apps since there is a 256GB of internal memory. This storage moreover is expandable of up to 2TB of a memory card. You can even enjoy in a wide array of popular titles available on the Google Play Store thanks to the tablet's solid Unisoc Tiger 606 processor, boasts 2 high-performance R65 cores running on the 1.6 GHz, paired with a 6 power-efficient R55 cores, ensuring optimal performance for both work and multimedia, providing a seamless, energy-conscious tablet experience that ensures sufficient gameplay across most games, but don't expect any miracles here. While it ensures ample gameplay for most games, it's essential to know that miracles should not be expected. The tablet operates on the latest Android 13 operating system, excelling in multitasking and seamless app switching, offering a clean Android experience devoid of unnecessary bloatware or unexpected odds. The pre-installed Google Play Store ensures effortless synchronization when transitioning from another device. The HOTWAV R7 allows extensive customization, allowing users to modify dark themes, wallpapers, interface colors and other features supported by the new Android version. The user experience on this tablet is thoughtfully designed. Interestingly, this tablet does not differentiate between the front and rear cameras, as both have a recording quality of 60 megapixels with the maximum resolution of 2316 by 1740 pixels. This is not the bad for this type of resistant tablet, but don't expect any spectacle here. The battery of this tablet is perhaps the most surprising point after the resistant it presents. This because it has an ultra-large 15,600 mAh battery that you can charge quickly. After all, it has a fast charger technology with a 20-watt fast charger that you can get in this package. This battery offers you autonomy of even 900 hours in standby mode, 20 hours in calls, 18 hours over playing games or watching videos. Let's not forget how HOTWAV R7 assures the high standards of durability, IP68 and IP69K ratings, waterproofness and dust protection, MIL-STD 810H military standard for drop resistance. The R7 behaves like a barrier under harsh conditions such as extreme weather and rough hanging works, providing extra strength and sturdy features, better waterproofness and dust resistant performance. This rugged tablet is designed for challenging off-road conditions with all resistant certifications, providing incredible resistance and safety. The HOTWAV R7 tablet can be useful for a variety of people due to its combination of robust features and good performance. If you ever broke a tablet or mobile phone and you don't want it happen again, then this is the tablet just for you. Now, if we have to indicate who this tablet will be best for, we should have to list the following people. It is perfect for nature lovers who choose to explore nature or camping on it. This is because the HOTWAV R7 tablet has a very complete navigation system with technologies like GPS, GLONASS, Galileo Plus and the Galileo. Also, as you already know, it is waterproof tablet thanks to its IP68 and IP69K resistance. Whether you are a construction professional or someone who works in a harsh environment, thanks to the large battery you can use it for work without having to charge your tablet battery often. In short, this R7 tablet is a versatile product that can be useful for many types of users who are looking for a durable device that will last for many years with a good performance. If the R7 caught your interest, visit the official sales links provided below this video. Hurry up and take advantage of this special promotional price available for a limited time. Seize the opportunity to own the HOTWAV Tab R7, a versatile, robust and high-performance tablet. That was all for today. Hit the like and subscribe and see you soon with the new video review. Bye.